Do your best to steer them straight. Tell them about who He is and ain't, and answer all their questions, even though you've got some too. I used to talk to my kids about Jesus, how He lived and died and rose again. I used to talk to my kids about Jesus. Now I talk to Jesus about my kids. You lose your grip the more they grow. They won't listen cause they think they know, and you watch them headed down a dead-end road, and you can't stop them. Lord, please watch them. I used to talk to my kids about Jesus,